Oh my gosh. Well, we have the whole book, Real Estate Mistakes, and I'll have to send you a copy, um, is filled with mistakes. And the beauty of it is they're so easily avoidable, but we didn't have anyone helping us or showing us what to do. So we had no community or no one. It was just my husband and I trying to figure out all of this, on our own. And we did take the expensive real estate courses, which were great for information, but what about application?
Mm.
So I always say, where was my coach when I was in the construction site with my whole development going belly up? We had no one showing us what to do. So, I always say learning is doing. And the first factor is to move past the fear factor. But then when they finally go after this hope and prayer strategy and something goes wrong, they either do one of two things. They either will sell immediately and say, no, this isn't for me, been there, done that, or they will have to move forward like you did and figure it out on their own, which is great because in life, if you're not failing, you're not trying.
Mm.
You need to fail every day. And we like to say you should be failing forward. So the book Real Estate Mistakes starts with all sorts of mistakes, such as like what you said, flipping homes in this property we call Nightmare on Elm Street. It was supposed to take 12 weeks, turned to take 5 months. And, by the end of it, apparently everyone was talking about how much money I made on this deal. And I swear to this day, I was just so frazzled by the whole experience. It didn't feel like I made a cent. And so that was just, a huge mistake with flipping. But unfortunately, you learn from your mistakes, you refine the process, and you don't do it again.